Hi guys, my name's Bud. Today we're gonna make some slime.
Okay, so what do we do?
So you put water in here.
Okay. How much water do you put in? Where do you put it? To which line?
Right here and here.
To the top?
Yeah.
No, I think there's another line that you do.
That.
Okay, so is there a line? Okay, so the water line right there, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, then what?
And then you pour this in here.
Okay, so that looks pretty good.
And then you add this.
You add the slime
Yep.
package?
Yep.
Okay, and then what do you do?
And then you add some sparkles.
Oh, some sparkles, okay. And then do you mix it around?
Yep.
Okay, show us.
I'm not done with this.
Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, now mix it up. Mix, 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 mix.
And then it comes slime.
Okay, so keep mixing. That looks pretty good.
And then we can add one more. See? I wanna add one more.
Yeah, okay, not right now. Well, let's start with this, finish with this one first. Okay, mix it right there a little bit. Okay, and just stir it a little bit more. Okay. Okay, is it all mixed up or is it?
Let me feel it.
A little bit more mixing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cause I feel it, and then it's not even mixed.
Okay, so just keep mixing it.
Okay. Until it comes like this.
Like what?
Until it comes this color.
Oh, okay.
There.
Till it's like squishy like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so keep mixing it.
And then you can add like these. Like see? We had right there.
Okay.
And then this is
And what does this stuff do?
that's food coloring
Oh.
that you can put in it.
Oh, okay, and that.
That makes this. That makes it red.
Oh, it changes the color.
Yep.
Oh, okay. So is it all slime now?
Yep.
Okay, so put it in your hand. Let's see. See if it gets all squishy now.
Yep, it is squishy.
Let's see. Let's see the camera real close.
It is squishy.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and it makes your hands sparkly.
Oh, and that's how you make slime?
Yep. Because
Perfect.
slime always do that.
Yeah. Makes your hands all full of slime?
Yeah. And then we add this in here. That in there.
Okay. So you keep the slime in the container?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
I can do it with my hands.
Yeah. Very good.
Yeah.
So you fill the container up with slime?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. How much do you got in there? Oh, it's like almost full.
Yeah. I add a lot in here.
Yeah, you do have a lot in there. A little bit more?
Yep. It's gonna get full.
Okay. Just push a little bit more in there. And then after that, do you want to make some more slime?
Yeah.
Okay. So clean it all. We'll get it all in the container. And then we'll clean
Get
the...
it all in the container.
Is there a little bit more in there? I think there's a little bit more.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you push it down with your finger or what do you do?
You push it in with your finger and then you add this in here.
Oh, you're going to add some food color?
Yep.
Do you need to or is that just going to make a mess?
That's gonna make it the water and the slime changes.
Do we want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so.
So what, like
I'm gonna add a little bit.
like just like 2 drops?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2.
Okay.
I can't open the lid of it.
How do you say 1, 2 in Spanish?
Dos, tres,
Uno,
dos.
unos, dos. Can you count any higher than 2?
No.
Yes, you can.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 26.
Well, you missed a couple, but pretty close, pretty close. What about in Spanish?
I don't know.
Uno,
Dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis,
siete.
ocho, nueve. Yes.
And how about in French?
I don't know.
Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, 10. Okay, let me do this 1 second. Okay. So 2 drops.
Yeah. One, two.
Perfect. Okay, and then what do we do? Do you put the lid on and mix it up?
Yep.
Okay.
It's too hard to shake it.
Okay, that's okay. And we'll leave that one, then we'll come back to it later.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, then we'll make maybe one more color?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay. We're going to show you how to make slime. Number 2.
Okay. What color are we going to do?
Pink. Because it's my mom's favorite color.
Oh, okay. Let's try it out. So what do we got to do?
So you have to pour water in here.
Okay, let's try it out and see. Perfect.
And then you have to pour it in here.
Okay.
And
Then you add the slime packet.
yep.
Okay. Whoa, that's very pink. Okay, and then do you stir it?
Nope. You have to add this.
What's that? What are you adding?
Beads.
Beads. Oh, those are nice.
Little beads.
Okay, you're adding beads to the slime. That's different.
Yeah. Because we never add beads to slime, right?
True. I guess there's a first time for everything.
Yeah. The first time that have beads in slime.
Okay. That looks pretty good. Can you just dump the package in there?
Yep. And then you had to stir it.
Okay. Stir the slime. You gotta mix it really well, right?
Yep. I can see the beads. I can't see the beads.
That's okay. Just keep mixing it. You'll see them. And make sure you get all the powder around the side.
Yeah. Right this.
Yep. Yeah, just mix it really well. Just keep mixing, keep mixing. Keep mixing. Oh, yep, yep. There you go. Now just mix it all really, really good. Would it help if you squished it with your hands?
No.
No.
And then you have to wash your hands.
Yeah. Always a good idea to wash your hands after, right?
Yeah.
And not on your pants.
Nope.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to wipe slime on your pants because that would just be messy.
Yeah. It's done.
Is it?
Yep.
Touch it. Let's see. Okay, so can I just take it like this?
Yep. And then you have to pour it in here.
Can you make like a ball? Let's see you make a ball.
I can't make a ball.
Okay, well just try and make a ball, like the best ball you can.
I can make a ball.
Can you hold it all in one hand? Let's see. Oh, now squish it like slime.
Ah. The beads just keep falling off.
Oh no. Okay, squish it with your hand. Let's see. Oh yeah.
Ah, the beads.
That's okay. There's lots of beads in there.
No. Look at all the beads are falling off.
Oh.
You have to add them in place.
That's okay. We can add the beads later.
Nah.
Okay, and then do you keep it in the tube?
Yep.
Okay, so put it all in the tube.
And the beads can come there.
Yeah. And then you can show everybody how many how many different colors you have?
Yeah.
Oh, somebody came to visit. Who's that?
Edward.
Edward who?
Edward the pug.
Edward the bug. Yeah, he's
Hi, Edward. That's okay, right?
yeah.
That's okay for Edward to go pee-pee, right?
Oh yeah.
Da! Where was the bead? And then you have to shake it.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna add.
Where's the lid? No, we don't need any more of
I
that.
wanna
Here's
do-
the lid. Here's the lid.
No, I want to add.
You added some to the other one because if you add it to the pink, it's going to change it colors, and we don't want to change it colors. We want to keep it
and
pink.
then that.
We'll add that to a different one after, okay?
Yeah.
So put the lid, and then let's see how many different slimes we have.
The beads are shaking, right?
Yeah, I can hear them. Go.
Hi guys, my name is Carter. We have different colors. We have pink and orange and green and silver.
Okay, that's very nice. So now you have all these different colored slimes to play with?
Yeah.
Wow.
I want to add that in here.
Okay, we can do that after. So say bye to everybody for now, and then we'll make some more slime after, okay?
I can't get the lid.
Okay, I'll get it for you.
Ah.
All right.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching and subscribe.
Yeah, very good. Okay, so make sure they like and subscribe. And till the next show.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.